din natin kasi dito sa Galera de Mandaue, nagkaroon ng controversial rooster. Yung nag-trending na 24 million gray ni Sir Patrick Antonio.
Yes, sige.
Alamin natin mismo yung kwento nung 24 million gray kay Sir Patrick.
Wala, yung 24 million grays, just a figment of the imagination.
Katang-isip lang.
Katang-isip lang pala ang 24 million gray.
Well, I was against Eric De La Rosa.
Eric De La Rosa.
Tapos then I machikan and all that. And then, sabi ko, then I bet what I thought I could bet on or how much. But then again, it was not...
so talagang 24 million?
Hindi nakasa.
24 million yung bet?
No, hindi 24 million, hindi 20 million. It's much lower than that. Na, karamihan nga doon ang pusta ay dahil sa barkada. So, kung sa akin lang, konting-konti lang yun. Kasi at that point in time, I was already winning. And pagka nanalo ko ng ganun,
may redoble.
May
pampagana.
So, kung ano yung pusta na lang yun dyan. So, kasi yun na lang parada nila eh. Hindi na sa akin yun eh. Ang dami na pumusta dun eh. People na you cannot say no to.
So maraming sama lang.
Pero hindi na rin naman nila may kasa. Dahil lang tawag ito.
Wala rin papagod.
Walang papagod. Wala naman. Naglabasan na rin yung mga iba. So, yun ang nangyari dyan.
So, that's the story of the 24 million.
24 million.
It's just a myth.
It's just a myth.
Pero, ang lumabas lang dun is, the 24 million was played by a very, very good cock. Na ano yan. And I think that was the reason why yung 25 million was associated with a talisayan.